This week I will show you hand reflexology for frequent urination. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I will show you hand reflexology for frequent urination. If you have this symptom, do this every day, at least once a day. The first one is interbrain reflex that regulates autonomic nervous system. Press it against the tip of the index finger joint for 7 seconds. And release. Repeat on the other side. And release. The second one is bladder reflex. Follow the line from the index finger and it's 1 thumb width from the wrist. Press it with a hook thumb for 7 seconds. And release. Repeat on the other side. And release. The third one is testes for men and ovaries for women. When you hit menopause, the production of male and female hormones go down and weakens the pelvic floor muscles that control urinary functions. This reflex helps with those hormones. Exercise to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles like Pilates is highly recommended too. It is located 1 thumb width from the protruding wrist bone in the back of the hand. Press this with the belly of your thumb for 7 seconds. And release. Repeat on the other side. And release. The fourth one is only for men because it is prostate reflex. Prostate health is very important for the urinary functions. It is located 1 thumb below the wrist crease under the thumb on the palm side. Press it with the belly of your thumb for 7 seconds. And release. Repeat on the other side. And release. I read a testimonial of a 57-year-old lady who suffered from frequent urination, specifically urge incontinence for years. She had to go to the bathroom at least once every hour and avoided taking long trips or going to movies. She started this hand massage every day and in 2 weeks, her bathroom frequency was reduced to every 3 to 4 hours. She used to be prone to getting bladder infection every winter and suffered from its pain, but not after she started practicing this hand massage. Incontinence may be caused by an infection or more severe conditions such as diabetes or a neurological disorder. Please see a medical professional if you have this symptom. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.